It will take faith to go forward without knowing exactly what the future brings. It will take commitment to hold true to the journey you both have pledged to today. And it's not only marrying the right person, it's being the right partner. And it has been an honor and a pleasure to bring you two together. So I'll say, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. I love you. It is with great pleasure and honor to now introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Sergio Jaramillo.